Hey guys, this is Lindy. Have you seen this before? I mean, this is a different truck stop, but took me off of 5 and down 99, which adds almost 2 hours to my trip, simply because there's a problem on the Grapevine. It's probably snow, and so they're not taking us over the Grapevine. So I'm going down 99. It says I'll be there at 8 o'clock tonight, so it's like a 10-hour trip. But anyway, I'm very excited, and I decided I would take you along with me. I'm going to run my camera. Of course, I jerry-rigged everything because I don't have a camera holder. But with my museum putty, I'm going to put this on here. I'm going to put my camera on here. You saw that little gadget. Well, I don't know if that's a good view. That's not a good view, so let's try and fix this. I'm going to try and fix this, jerry-rig this camera. This is an old-time card holder. I'm going to try and jerry-rig this camera. Hopefully it does. Oh, come on, give me a break. I don't know. I may not be able to take you with me. May not be able to. Doesn't want to do its thing. Now, let's try this. We're going to try something different. Okay, guys, I think I have it jerry-rigged. We'll see. We'll see if you can see what I'm seeing. It's pouring down rain. So let's start. I'm just leaving the rest area. I don't know how many hours to go. I think it said 8. I've been on the road over 2. So I don't know. I'll bet that phone falls. I certainly hope not, but I got a jerry-rigged. Now, I won't be talking that much because it's very, very loud in this cabin. With the rain pouring down and the traffic, it's just very noisy cabin. What can I say? I'm getting ready to go. Oh, let's hope this camera that camera stays. I forgot to get one of those camera things. And I don't have a dash cam. So, and you notice how slow I am. I do have a back camera, but I look at all the side mirrors too. I don't trust the cameras. Okay. All right. So here we go. You may not last very long. It may not. It may just be too jerry-rigged. And the road's not that good. But look at this rain, guys. Honestly. This is too much. Every trip. Second trip.